Summer is finally here, and so is the heat. No worries. This ice towel will keep you cool. All you gotta do is dip it in some water. Give it a squeeze, then give it a really good flick. You put it around your neck, and it's just like wearing an ice band around your neck. And it stays cool for quite a long time. Stick around and I'll show you how I made it. So starting with the design, we decided to go with polar bears and penguins, just to go to the theme of keeping it cool. Once we got our design done, now we're going downstairs to go and print it. On the sublimation printer, I've decided to go with a 100% black output just to get it a really nice color on the material. And I've decided to go with a polyester sports material and put it in, and now off it goes.
In this video, we show you how to assemble the FastCOLOUR F16 XP600 printer from AM.CO.za. The video includes instructions on the stand assembly, the bulk ink system assembly, the print head installation, the ink application stage, and the final setup. And you can also find many more videos like this on older and newer advanced machinery models alike on our sorted.co.za technical support video channel.
Now we must print on the back side of the towel. First thing we're going to do is line up the design. Follow the same process and put it back into the machine. And now that that's done, now we just need to send it off for stitching. For the stitching process, I'm going to be using an overlocker just so that I can cut off the excess material and do a roll hem on the side, just so that we can hold together the material so it doesn't fray. After a while, the heat is transferred into the towel. The cooling effect wears off, but all you got to do is take it off. Give it a good old flick, put it back on, it's just as cold as before. Crazy, hey? Some people like the wrist wrap. It can be printed in any size and any design, and still keep you cool. But that's the nature of this polyester material. It's super cool, no pun intended.